Hello and welcome to my channel everyone. Today we're going to speak about the easiest built-in Photoshop way to remove anything from your picture, and I'm going to show you how it has been developed in the new versions of Photoshop, which totally can blow your mind. First, I'm going to start with the old way, which is available on almost all of the versions of Photoshop. For those who doesn't know, the way it works is you first select the object that you want to remove. You go to Edit, Fill, Content Aware, or click OK, and it's done. What actually is happening is that Photoshop is checking the whole picture and decide what should be under this picture and pasting it. And Photoshop usually does a great job. I'm not complaining about this, but sometimes just it doesn't work. Like in this example, if I try to remove the coffee, I get a result with the pen, which is a normal thing because the picture is pretty heavily stocked with stuff and it's hard for Photoshop to actually understand what should be under the picture. It's just a software after all. But let's keep back and check what the newest version of Photoshop have made for us. Again, we have to select the picture, but then we have to go to Edit, and then we have amazing new option, Content Aware Fill. Click on it and you're going to get a second window, and in it actually Photoshop is asking us where should I take the content for under your selection from. You can see that all the picture now is with green on top of it. What is under the green, Photoshop will actually consider like possibilities to be under the picture. So what we have to do with the sampling brush tool, we remove all the stuff that we as a people, not as a software, know that are not under the picture. Like in this case, this blank page should not be under the picture. The pencil should not be under the picture. The telephone should not be under the picture. And this small notes should also not be under the picture. And the greatest part is actually that you can see a preview of how the picture will look like in a small window. So when you're happy with what you see, you click OK and you have it. And you can see how better it did its job. Well, thank you for your attention, guys. Hopefully it was helpful for you and you're going to use this kind of editing more and more in your pictures. I also would like to invite you in our Facebook group. I will link it below. I'm happy to say that we are over 6,000 people and everybody is either interested in Photoshop and trying to learn it or a professional in the Photoshop area, so you can easily get inspiration or advices regarding your Photoshop projects. So welcome. If you want, check the link below in the description, and that was it. Bye for now and see you in the next one.